Cleaning up my pots in the driveway. I need to take this Supertonia Vista bubble gum and I'm going to make a pot for fall time. So guys, check this out. Is that sweet potato yam or what? Oh, I'm going to harvest. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, wow. Look. Look, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, let me see if there's another. Oh, I think that's it. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Oh, wow. It's not as big, but look at these guys. Wow. Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to give you an update in my bed of roses. And look at my roses, guys. I don't know what happened, but they bulb. They lost that thing, but it's actually growing. And some are being chewed by a caterpillar, which I already did some spray. And the sweet potato vine take over the whole space. So as you can see, and you know, guys, might be overpowering with this, but I've got lots of sweet potato underneath. Last night I had sweet potato and it was so good. So that's the only down part of this. And next year I don't think I'm gonna put sweet potato vine in here, because look, you won't see my roses anymore. They're good, but and okay, we fixed that. And we'll see. Let's find a sweet potato vine somewhere. I mean, sweet potato underneath. See, guys, see, I harvested this part. And let's see if I can find more. But we got lots for sure. Oh, I need my trowel. Anyway, I'll show you later some of the sweet potato I harvested. So yeah, look at that, guys. My bed of roses. And this is supposed to be a shrub here, the generous gardener, but it looks like a climbing rose. So I need to find arbor or an obelisk at least, so that can, you know, do its thing. So more roses. The baskerville, that's my favorite. Grace, you know, you're not going inside the car. See, next year it would be, maybe will grow nicely, because this is the first year, right? They said first year will sleep, and then second year creep, and then third year will leap. So I hope so. So anyway, a short how do you call it, update. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at the caterpillar. See, I sprayed BT last time. I haven't posted a video, but I did sprayed. So look, so yeah, I don't know, I don't think it works. So And this one here, I think it's done. The hybrid sunny days. Yeah, I think, look, it's done. Well, some parts still alive, but I'm gonna leave it for this year, and then maybe let's see next year. Anyway, my bed of roses and the sweet potato vine that take over the bed of roses. So for sure next year I'm not gonna plant this. I love the snowdrift. No, not snowdrift. This one here, the diamond euphorbia. How do you call this? I love that, the fluffiness. I love that, and also I grow all the alyssum. Maybe this is I'm going to grow next year. I grow this from seed, and I love it. So I think right now I'm loving. I love that, and this one here. I just love the fluffiness of this. I forgot euphorbia, diamond euphorbia, something like that. And all that white stuff are alyssum that I grow from seed. So bed of roses, guys. And my van broke down last night. Did you see that? Oh, and I was opening it, going to work, and the door fell off. I'm not so impressed. Don't have a van right now. I'm using my husband's car. So anyway, guys, I'll show you the harvest that I got today. So this is what I got today, guys. The 2 pots in the end of the driveway. This one here is huge, and a lot of little ones. And I can feel over there when I'm planting my mums and everything, it's still sweet potato yams underneath. So I'm gonna wait until the end of October maybe and harvest. Yeah, so guys, if you planted sweet potato vine, like an ornamental one, you better check underneath, because at the end of the season they actually produce some sweet potato yam that you can eat, because it is so good. I'll tell you, it is so good. Last night I had it, and I love it. I love it so much. Well, I love sweet potato to begin with, but just to think, you know, planting this for as a flower, but I got a harvest. So I'm impressed. I'm just not planting that in that drift ever again, because you can't see my roses. Anyway, Gracie's Home and Gardens, hope you enjoy. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and possible subscribes. That would really help my channel. Thanks again, guys. Gracie's Home and Gardens. Happy gardening. Enjoy your day. Take care. Bye.